everyone, I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. Glad to see you as always. So today is Soapy Saturday, which means I am putting out another soaping video, and we're doing a Blackberry and Magnolia scented soap. And I love this scent so much. It's first time using it. It behaved beautifully and it just smells so good. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright y'all, so I have got my oils and my lye water. I've got my beer powder, my goat milk powder, and my kaolin clay already mixed into my oils. Today we are going to be using Blackberry and Magnolia from Crafter's Choice. It doesn't have vanillin. It's supposed to play nice in cold processed soap. We shall see. And I have a couple purples. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet because y'all know I kind of just soap with the flow. But I do have some titanium dioxide that I'm going to be using. And then I've mixed up some Queen for a Day from Nurture Soap, some Harold's Purple Crayon from Mad Micas, and Pow Pow Purple from Mad Micas. I don't think I'm going to use Harold's just because after I mixed it, it looks a little blue. And I don't want blue. It may change once it's in the soap, but I don't really want to risk it, so I think I'm going to keep with the Queen for a Day and the Pow Pow Purple because I know those are very pretty and I like them. So let's get some soap making started after I get a mold. Soap mold is kind of an important part of the soap making process. I do have some lye lint here, so I'm just going to use a strainer. That off to the side, and I am soaping at about 95 degrees today, so I'm just going to burp my stick blender to get the air bubbles out, and I'm just going to bring this to a very light trace. Gorgeous. My new stick blender, she's a beast. Doesn't take long for her to mix things up, that's for sure. Alright, so I know white is going to be my predominant color, and then my purples are going to be my accents. So let's get these kind of transferred over without making a giant mess. So we've got that titanium dioxide. We're going to do the Queen for a Day. And then the Pow Pow Purple. If you guys hear some banging around in the background, we got a new ballast box for the tractor, so my husband is working on putting some weights into it so we don't kill ourselves on our tractor. Just saying. So I'm just going to give these a quick mix. Because I've got schmutz all over my hands now. Give this a quick clean up. Move stuff out of the way. So I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. Wow, this smells so good. Oh. So yummy. We're going to give these a quick mix in. Now, when we've explored majority of our property right now, we've gotten through a lot of it, we learned this summer that we have just an abundance of blackberries. Now granted, when we get goats, they're going to probably take care of a lot of those. But my goal is to have that part of the pasture fenced off. So come summer, when it's blackberry season, I can keep them out of the blackberries and I can keep them all to myself. I mean, we had so many blackberries this summer. I was running out of ideas for blackberries. I canned so much jam, made so many cobblers. It was ridiculous. But I'm not complaining because I love me some blackberries. So we're going to make sure we're in frame because I'm going to pour majority of the white in there. And we're just going to do a little drop swirl of sorts. I'm trying to keep them kind of on top of each other. Feeling a little spunky today, so I think we're going to just run the hanger through it real quick. Alright. Got a lot of stuff going on up here. And I'm just going to clean up my mess a little bit around the edge. And just spoon the rest of this purple up there. I'm going to spritz this with some rubbing alcohol and I'm going to pop this in the oven. I preheat my oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and then I turn it off and I put my soap in there with just the oven light on and let it sit overnight. I have a whole video on oven processing soap that I will link down below as always if you wanted to check that out on why I oven process my soaps. And I will see you guys in the next transition for soap cutting. Alrighty y'all, it is my favorite day, soap cutting day. So we are going to slice into this. She's a little soft. I didn't actually oven process her, which is odd for me, but I got so caught up in other projects that I forgot to put her in the oven. So it'll be okay though. She smells delicious. How pretty are those? It's definitely still soft though. So these are the final results and I absolutely love them. I love how the purple turned out. I'm glad I darkened up that other purple just a smidgen more. I think it really made the difference. And so that is the soap for the day. I guess I will see you guys in the outro. So that is what I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out videos every single week and sometimes twice a week if we're feeling spunky. And as always, be sure to check out the description box below where I'm posting other videos that may be helpful, as well as links to blog posts, because even if I'm not posting videos, chances are I'm updating the blog with free printables and soaping information and things like that. So be sure to check that out down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!